So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm Ella. I work with Molecule. This is my third DeSci Berlin, 4 DeSci Berlins in total, and this is my second time being the MC. So a bit of an expert, I'll say. But it's really nice to have you all here. DeSci Berlin started out as a conference, really as a function of getting people together in one space. I think decentralized communities are amazing in the sense that you can connect with people all over the world and there's so much accessibility. But we've always seen that sort of once you get everyone in a room and you get them to meet and connect, so many projects start, so many new things blossom. And so I always find DeSci Berlin a really exciting time because it's kind of starts, it's like sowing fertile ground. And then over the next couple of months, you see lots of things pop up, which is great. But yeah, this is our 4th one. It's our 2nd one in our lovely Molecule office that Paul told you about. We have 2 days of conferences. We've got 4 different themes. So as I mentioned, our first track was DeSci bottlenecks. In the afternoon, we'll have DeSci use cases. So you'll be meeting a lot of the new DAOs, hearing from Kevin and a bunch of different DeSci projects. Tomorrow morning, we have a very interesting track, as I think everyone can see. AI is one of our emerging trends. Bio has also been running an AI agent hackathon, building AI agents for science. So Wednesday morning, that will be. And then Wednesday afternoon, we delve into cross-chain science and citizen science. So looking at really sort of community-based projects and also discussing the long-standing Ethereum-Solana debate of where to build. We also have a workshop room. So this is our main stage. Obviously, we got you guys in here. We've got a little co-working area up here. So you can come up, there are plugs, you can work silently. Just remember that it is obviously part of the space and we are very echoey here. And then we have the cafe where you guys all arrived. This is your communal hub, chat, network, vibe, have fun there. And then upstairs, we have the workshop room. Workshops will kick off, I think, in about half an hour as the break ends. 2 days, packed, we're busy. What else? Thank you very much to our organizing team, our streaming company, all of those involved. It's been a massive effort. Every year it is, and every year it gets better. We are streaming the whole thing live, so hi everyone who is watching. There are streaming links. Share it with your friend. If you can't come tomorrow, watch it, all of those things. This evening, we will be having a side-hour event in this office. So if you want to stay later for the event, that'll be happening right after the conference ends. Our schedule is printed on QR codes. It's also on the website. It's also printed out in various areas. So if you want to know what's happening, just check out that. Tomorrow evening, we have the hotly anticipated bio rave. We will be sharing details about that, and you guys can sign up on the Luma. What else? Merch. First of all, I think some of you would have gotten the DeSci Berlin Uniqlo bags. We also have stickers and merch up for grabs. Additionally, everyone that you see in one of these Molecule t-shirts or bio t-shirts, obviously work for Molecule or Bio. Go ask them questions, pester them, they'll be able to help you. And lastly, if you are making any social media posts, please tag DeSci Berlin or Molecule. Cool, let me see if this is my list of everything. Yes, other than that, have a great time. We'll be around, and I'll see you in half an hour. Cool.